How to create a booking in the front office system, Channelmanager Australia. Let's go through the steps to create a booking. First, open the Daybook. Left-click on the cell that matches the date and the room you want to book. You'll see two options, Quick Reservation and Create Booking. Choose Quick Reservation if you just need to close the room quickly. Choose Create Booking if you want to enter full guest details. In this example, we'll use Create Booking. The booking form will appear. Here you'll need to enter the essentials. Arrival date, departure, date, number of adults and children, guest's last name, phone number, or any other details you'd like to add. If the guest needs more than one room, just click the plus button and add those details. You can also enter credit card information, set the booking source, add the total amount, or adjust the room rate if it's different. Once everything is complete, click Save, or check in if the guest is arriving the same day. Finally, you can see the booking right there in the Daybook, and if you ever need to make a change, just click on the guest's name, update the details, and save again. That's it. A simple step-by-step way to create and manage bookings.